It's recording now.
I don't know who I want to be.
Be the same guy that everybody is.
But, oh no, be her. Oh, I like her. Yeah.
Looks
like she has abs. Looks like she has speed, sanity,
Those three speed.
That's Eric. Oh my god. Shut the door. Shut the door.
Oh wait, I gotta do an intro.
Turn the light off.
So this is Wolf the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my girlfriend playing a game called White Noise. You can get it on Xbox for about $1, 80 Microsoft points. Anyway, she's gonna freak out. It's gonna be funny.
Why is the light on right now?
So we can see her reaction.
There's a light on the TV.
If I turn the light off, then we won't be able to see it.
You saw it in the video that I made.
Yeah, but that's...
I'm so close. I'm closest. I'm gonna shit my pants.
Let me see. And this is my friend Eric.
Let's get it! Yo, stop running. He's gonna show up right now.
I haven't even found one.
I don't care.
Actually, no,
It's not normal.
Oh.
I forgot to change it.
You gotta do it again.
No,
Redo it.
Bite me. No, not really.
Okay, you're making a YouTube video, not a freaking porn video. Let's go.
Right? Hey, no, stop it.
I'm probably gonna have to put this in the TV.
Why?
Because I'm not sorry. And this is my iPod.
Why is this taking so long to read?
One in one of those stairs. Hoogie woogie woogie.
Really? Stop it. There's not one in here.
You're gonna talk like really last night.
There isn't one in here.
Oh, loud enough.
Shut up, Eric. Eric, shut the door.
It's too far away.
Lazy?
I woke up in a new Bugatti. Oh! Dumbass.
Ah!
What's good?
Here one.
Didn't do it.
The good thing is they can hear the TV too. By the way, YouTube, White Noise is just basically Slender, so
Oh, I thought that was him. I was about to...
nothing really important to be seen. If you want to see gameplay, get the game.
Where is it? It is? Oh, it's
Right
there.
there.
I'm gonna die, like, really soon.
Follow the ghost.
Stop it.
Oh, he just went through his face.
I'm, like, gonna die.
Parental
Stop
advice.
running!
I'm sorry!
Viewer discretion is advised.
Holy shit. Oh!
Jump to the side. It's like duck for cover. Duck for cover.
He's just like, don't forget me!
Don't stop fucking.
I'm gonna cry! Stop it.
Oh no. No,
Be
no, no.
afraid.
No, no, no. No, it's getting darker over there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Right. Follow the road.
Oh shit.
Stop it!
keep going until you see a house. Oh wait, you passed it. Right. Turn around.